And then remember, this is also just for pictures. So this is not something I would ever like sell to a client.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get a pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lotion. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket off promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats get too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Troops follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the bounties and jobs in the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know wiping up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke guns and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar, the for the sun. I'm broke, see it pop out 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my problems, we stacking up Qualo and Qualo. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shop, got 40 designer belts. OPF, still like the new BML. Think I'm dumb, got clothes in my right or left. Say you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the trucks, I'm counting more fake. Sky Skullers, movie, and a prison. Time is 50, tiny, Richard Melo. But they damage to his empty. Look, cause I spit that flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but don't tell me. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck?
I should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, every time had to talk beside you. I'm in that 8 and then one of the two is different priority. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Hey. Self-control has never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a vibe. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the vibes. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you going vegan but still beef don't weekend? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't compete. I see it back in the church, remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Shorty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to me?
Alright, so this is pretty much done. Honestly, I only use like one side of the pack, but I'm just gonna go in and like trim some pieces just so that like it has a little bit more like cleanness to it. But I'm not like too stressed about it. Let's see. It's cute. I was like iffy about putting the trim around the border, but I like it. And then I'm just gonna trim off. How cute is that? Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna leave that like that. I am gonna like staple or like tape something like right on the side in here. Let me just go there. Forgot I put it back on hot. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this. But how adorable is that? And then remember, this is also just for pictures. So this is not something I would ever like sell to a client, but it's cute. Sparkle's really cute. So I'm just gonna leave this here. Obviously that's gonna be super fragile. Alright, so I have the balloons blown up for the photo shoot, and I think I did too many, but I'd rather have too many than not enough. And then on my 5 inches over here, I was gonna do more, but I'm like, honestly, I'm just doing the most. I'm just trying to figure out if I'm gonna do like a organic wall type of thing. Am I gonna do an arch type of thing? I don't know. So I'm still trying to figure that out. But my head's hurting. So I'm like, let me give this a break. But I keep forgetting she's only 3 feet tall. So it's like, you know, I don't have to do that damn much. But I don't know. We'll figure it out. Or he's just gonna go use the bathroom. What's your problem?
You've been mean to Ace.
I was not. Ace wasn't listening. Now get the bag and go clean it up.
Easy.
So I'm getting ready now. So I have to go to the storage still, but I have her 2 outfits laid out here. I'm just gonna hang them in the truck when I get back. I have to just put these in a bag so I can put them inside the trailer. And then I have a suitcase with like her little shoes and stuff and her hair stuff. So we're just getting ready now to go. And then I'm gonna use this bag to put all her little snacks inside. Look. Wow, you look so cute. Where are you going?
To picture day.
Yes? Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I'll take the suitcase.
I'll take it.
No, there's something on top, isn't it?
That's the shit I'm talking about, though. Like, you changed up. You don't even fucking link nobody no more.
Always felt like my vision lived bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Yeah. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bogs and I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit.
You're gonna smile, Leah. Turn this way. Look, turn this way. Look, turn to the side. Aaliyah, why are you acting shy? Smile. Cheese. Say cheese. Put your arms out like this. Please. Okay, put your hands on your hips. Both hands. Yes. Cheese. Okay, do we switch it in? We be taking 5 minutes. And okay, like lay down. Aaliyah, put this damn dress down. Put the ball back down softly, like that. Okay, she's sitting like Woody.
Nigga dead for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now.
Exactly. Right now. Are you tired?
Yeah. You
Come, go ahead.
Effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about? Yeah. Girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now? Yeah, always been daddy's little angel. I bought your dad a bunch of shit for Christmas, he ain't even say thank you. I had no money left from acting, I was focused on the music.
Let me see you turn around.
I used to always try to bring the CDs
No,
to
you
my
don't
new
turn
shit. You be like, who's this? I be like, me, girl. You be like, oh, word, true shit. Then ask if we can listen to Ludacris. Car rides made me feel like I was losing it. Yeah, made me feel like I ain't have it like that. I was average like that. Started drinking way more than I used to. People form habits like that, girl. Yeah. Man enough to tell you I was hurt that year. I'm not even Christian, I still went to church that year. Guess I just had to pretend that year. I ain't even see my friends that year. That shit fin. You ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now.